cannot have a protagonist without desire. It doesn't make any sense. Any fucking sense. You follow?
What's the something I need? Conformity's annoying me. This routine's obscene. Wanna blame my job. Wanna blame the odds. I'm shadowboxing with my options. Sometimes I feel like fighting. Most times hiding. This is resistance.
This is resistance. I don't feel good enough to take it all the time. There's a reason she loves you. What am I?
Hello?
Hello? Don't forget to call your mom. Don't end up like your father. Don't end up like your dad. Don't end up like your dad.
I understand we have another low information caller who thinks we're...
Like indecision, I'm gonna try to call. It's like